Hey everybody, welcome back. So in this section here, I wanted to give you a brief overview of how the chatbot section of the app works here. So right now, I've got it set up pretty simple with a pretty basic example. I'm going to probably add some more prompts and stuff to this, I think. But for right now, what we've got is these three inputs here. The description is going to be whatever you want it to be. It's a marker so you know what chatbot you set up. So we'll add that here. And then in the prompt, this is where you're going to set the personality, if you will, of the large language model. What I've got is I'm telling it to act as a helpful assistant that provides information related to the data, which is going to be down here. And then every time it responds, I want it to respond with this: for more information, contact Mr. Dougal. And basically what I've done is I've taken a bunch of frequently asked questions, the responses to those questions from a McDonald's franchise in the UK, and that's what we're going to paste in here. So it's not formatted very well. It could be a bullet point list, but the AI doesn't care, right? The language model doesn't care how it's formatted. It's just data, right? This is the information it's going to base its response on. Anything that's in this box here. Let's save that. Come back over here. We'll go to the chat. And then we can ask it some questions. So we'll say your hours. These are things I've kind of tested out here. But like I said, you can try your own stuff, right? Just to see what kind of responses you get. And then, of course, this is from the data we fed it. So it mentions the restaurant name and UK and all that stuff. So you can see it's getting its information from that information that we fed into it, the data prompt. Let's ask it about, are your food offerings healthy? Let's see what it says. Highest standards. Contact Mr. Dougal. Let's see what food do you serve? So it says here for breakfast is a question, but it does talk mostly, I believe, about breakfast. So that's probably what's going on there. So let's ask it, what about lunch? What about lunch? Let's just see what it says to that. I don't really know what it's going to say to that. And it says menu, lunch, fries, sandwiches, burgers, salads. That's kind of neat though. So maybe it's assuming that I meant to say, what about your lunch menu? So that's kind of cool. So again, it's all on how you prompt it. So come on in and test it out and add your own stuff. You can really see how you can customize this for your own website or app, so you can start interacting with your customers based on the specifics of your business. So if you sell cars or medical supplies, whatever it is, right? Let's ask it a question about something silly, like what kind of guitars do you sell? Let's see what it says. It doesn't sell guitars, but let's just see. Oh, okay. We don't sell guitars. Okay, so it's hallucinating here. Interesting. We do sell have a wide selection of musical instruments and accessories. So that's something you could prompt it. Let's try this. Let's go back here. I just want to show you here. Let's say if you don't know the answer, respond with I don't know. Do not try guess when providing a response. Let's see here now. Okay, so I'm going to ask it the same question here. Fire that in there. There we go. I'm sorry, I don't know. Contact Mr. Dougal. Cool, right? This will show you how you can make these things specific to your needs, right? It does take a little bit of testing and prompt engineering, but you can see how powerful this could be for your business. All right, thanks guys.